foundation-free makeup. It's what you want if you want to look your youngest and your freshest ever. You're going to start by applying a contour. You're going to place it on your forehead, your cheekbones, your jawline. You are using this contour color to sculpt your face and add structure. Next, on a fluffy brush, you want to go in with a cream bronzer and go all over the face. You want to hit the high points, add color, bring it down your neck, make it seamless. This is where the magic happens. We are going to find the lighter spaces on our face that cause a distraction and make things next to it look darker. And we are going to add a bronzer type color there and bring up the tone so that everything starts looking smooth and even. I want you to think of when a child is learning to color. They're told to color in the lines and to fill in all the light spaces so that it looks smooth and cohesive. That's all we're doing here with a light wash of bronzer on any place that is lighter than the rest of our face. Sculpting your nose is absolutely optional. I'd like to offer you this. If you want your nose to look smaller, you are going to draw the lines on the top part of your bridge of your nose, connect them to your eyebrows, and bring it through the crease. This is going to give you the most natural looking nose contour without accidentally accentuating the width of your nose, which is unfortunately how most of us start contouring. Using your bronzer and or contour as your eyeshadow is going to give you the most seamless, monochromatic, youthful look you can even imagine. Now we're gonna make our lips juicy. We're gonna take a little bit of that contour and we're just gonna smudge it. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're gonna draw a line outlining our vermilion border. It's gonna be dark, that's okay. We're gonna blend it. It's not gonna stay looking like that. And then we're gonna emphasize that vermilion border by placing a lighter color in between our natural lip line and the darker line we just drew. That's gonna give us the look of a lip flip. Make sure you're blending. I even feel like I could have blended a little bit more here, but it's okay. Blush is so important. I cannot stress that enough. It gives us youthful vitality, yet so many women are afraid to use it. Here I use 3 different tones of blush, a light, a medium, and a deeper color, and I chose the colors to play off of not only my skin to color correct, but also to play up my eyes. Another thing we need to talk about, blending may take a few seconds longer than you're used to, but it is imperative to a natural, youthful, barely there makeup look. So I want you to blend until your fingers are about to fall off, and then blend a little more. This is where the magic happens. We've added our color, we've brought up our tone, and now we are going to delete color. We're going to use a cream color corrector with pinpoint application. We're placing color of cream corrector to the color of our distraction to minimize it. Once we hit middle age, the places I find women mostly color correcting is around their eyes, around their mouth, and maybe they have old acne scarring or hyperpigmentation throughout their face. They're going to choose a color that is complementary to the color of excess on their face and use that with a pinpoint brush to delete those excess colors and bring them to a neutral. Working around your face one color at a time really helps to simplify the whole process and keep everything cohesive. The magic in this method for me is making my sun damage and the troughs under my eyes a little bit less noticeable. That's all I really want, is to look fresher, younger, prettier. But I don't want people to say, "Hey, Danielle, you have beautiful makeup." I want them to say, "Hey, Danielle, your skin looks amazing." And those are the compliments that I get with this makeup technique. When you think like an artist, you know that a wrinkle has a shadow in it. So if you use a color corrector to take out that shadow, it's going to appear less noticeably. Set with setting spray, apply your favorite gloss and mascara, and you're set. Follow for more natural makeup tutorials.